Good morning, students. Now we are going to discussing about Cayley-Hamilton theorem or characteristic equation of matrix. This is very one of the important topic. So a 2 by 2, if A is a 2 by 2 matrix, and let us consider the matrix is A11, A12, A21, A22. Okay, it satisfies the equation a square minus a square is this nothing but this one only, a square minus lambda 1 into a plus lambda 2 into I is equal to 0. If it is 2 by 2 matrix, you get a square, so the degree is 2. Okay, and coefficient of a is here minus lambda 1, and the coefficient of I is lambda 2. Then this equation is called characteristic equation of the given matrix A. Here, if you want to say it is the characteristic equation of this matrix A, here this lambda 1 is nothing but sum of the principal diagonal elements, and lambda 2 is nothing but determinant of this matrix. Okay, see, that means lambda 1 is a11 plus a22. Lambda 2 is determinant of this matrix. Once you check it out, you take any 2 by 2 matrix, that will satisfy this one. Satisfies means when you substitute here, you get a O. This is nothing but O. According to matrices, we call O, zero matrix. Okay. Next, if it is a 3 by 3 matrix, A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, satisfies. Same, it is 3 by 3 matrix, it starts from third degree, A cube minus lambda 1 into A square plus lambda 2 into A minus lambda 3 into I. Already I told you, according to matrices, you should not add or subtract constant. So instead of constant, you should write a constant along with the I matrix, identity matrix. Okay, so a square minus plus, here also a cube minus plus minus, continuation order. Okay, so but here what is this lambda 1? Lambda 1 is nothing but sum of principal diagonal elements a11 plus a22 plus a33. But lambda 2 is nothing but, just observe this one, a determinant of a11, a12, a21, a22 plus determinant of a22, a23, a32, a33 plus determinant of a11, a13, a31, a33. That is nothing but here all these three determinants are another 2 by 2 determinants. Okay, same a11, a12, a21, a22. A22, A23, A32, A33. A11, A13, A31, A33. You have to remember these fixed values. Okay. So should be order. First according to these two. Next these two. Next this one, and this one. Okay. And lambda 3 is nothing but a determinant of 3 by the given matrix. Okay, so roots of, generally the roots of above equation are called eigenvalues of A. Actually it is the cubic equation. After getting lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, you will get a cubic equation. The roots of this cubic equation are called eigenvalues of the matrix A. Okay. Now come to the point. If A is equal to 1 0 0 0 2 1 0 1 0 3, then A cube minus 6A square plus 11A minus 7I is equal dash is asking. Whenever if they given like this matrix and he is asking about this expression, it is 3 by 3, it is also starting from third degree. Okay, A cube minus 6A square. Then no need to find out A cube and A square and this summation. Just you go for, once you check it out, it's maybe characteristic equation or not. Okay, see here, generally the characteristic equation of this matrix is nothing but a cube minus lambda 1 a square plus lambda 2 a minus lambda 3 I is equal to O. Okay, is equal to O. So here lambda 1 is nothing but sum of principal diagonal elements 1 plus 2 plus 3, so that is equal to 6. So here also minus 6. And lambda 2 is nothing but determinant of this matrix plus determinant of this matrix plus determinant of this matrix. So the determinant of this matrix is nothing but 1 into 2, 2 plus this matrix is nothing but 2 3s are 6 minus 1, 6 minus 0, that is 6. So here 2 for this one, 6 for this one, 3. 1 3s are 3 minus 0, 3. So 2 plus 6 plus 3, that is 11. So plus 11a minus. So determinant of the given matrix lambda 3 is nothing but. So according to this row, if you expand, it is anyhow minus plus and these are zeros only. It is plus 1. Plus 1 into leave the row and column. 2 3s are 6. So minus 6 I is equal to 0. But here what they given a cube minus 6a square plus 11a minus 7i is equal to how much he is asking. So actually according to characteristic equation, so a cube minus 6a square plus 11a minus 6i is equal to 0 matrix. But we want minus 7i, but here the difference is minus 6i. So both sides we add minus I. Then you get a cube minus 6a square plus 11a minus 7i is equal to minus I. Okay, so that is nothing but this value is nothing but minus I. Minus I means it is 2 by 2, not 2 by 2, 3 by 3, minus 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 minus 1, 3 by 3, because of here a is 3 by 3, so we get I also 3 by 3. Okay, next one. If a is equal to 2 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 2, then a power 8 minus 5a power 7 plus 7a power 6 minus 3a power 5 plus a power 4 minus 5a cube plus 8a square minus 2a plus I is equal to how much he is asking. See here the question is once again, this expression is equal to LA square plus MA plus NI, then find 3L minus M plus 2N. Okay, so that means if this expression is equal to LA square plus MA plus NI, then we have to consider the values of LMN from this one. So we substitute here, that is the value, required value. Okay, now so whenever they given like this, don't go for a power 8. A power 8 means what? A into A into A into up to 8 times. It is very lengthy to do this one. So generally like these problems, first you go for characteristic equation. Okay, what is characteristic equation? A cube minus lambda 1a square plus lambda 2a minus lambda 3 I is equal to 0. What is lambda 1? Sum of the principal diagonal elements, 2 plus 1 plus 2, that is 5, that is minus 5a square plus lambda 2. What lambda 2 means? What? Determinants. This determinant, 2 1s are 2 minus 0, that is 2 only. 1 2s are 2 minus 0, that is 2 only. Next 2 1 1 2 determinant, 2 2s are 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 3. So for first determinant 2, second determinant 2, next determinant is 3. So 4 plus 3, that gives 7. 7a. So total determinant, this total determinant is nothing but according to this any row or any column, already I have done, so that the value becomes to 3. Okay, minus 3i is equal to O. Now you convert this entire equation in terms of this one, means just you divide entire equation with this one. Entire equation, you just divide entire equation with this one. Then you get like this expression. In other words, one thing you can do, how can you write this expression in terms of the characteristic equation? Means here what is the highest degree? A power 8. For this a power 8, to get a power 8 for this a cube, how much we have to multiply? A power 5. So total this expression just multiply with a power 5. So what you get? A power 5 into a cube, a power 8 minus 5a power 7 plus 7a power 6 minus 3a power 5 into I, means 3 into a power 5 only, because a power 5 into a power 5 only. So what you get totally from these terms? A power 8 we have, minus 5a power 7 we have, and plus 7 a power 6 also we have, and what we have more? Minus 3a power 5 also we have, until these 4 terms completed when you multiply with the a power 5. This expression you got when you multiply to this one. Again, for after all these terms completed, now you have to get a power 4. So what number we have to, what matrix we have to multiply to get a power 4 to this equation? If you multiply with a, then you get a into a cube. That means like this, a into a cube, a power 4, and a into minus 5a square minus 5a cube plus 7a square minus 3a into I means minus 3a. So a into a cube a power 4 you got, minus 5a cube also you got, here plus 7a square we have, and minus 3a we have. Once you observe, actually we got only 7a square, but here what is the term here? 8a square. Okay, we got to here only 7a square. Then what we have to do to get 8a square? So just multiply and subtract with a square. Multiply and subtract with a square. Okay, so that means to balance this one. Okay, because of to get a square, so if you multiply with any matrix you get more than a square, so you never get a square. So just you stop to multiply to any matrix with this one. Okay, just after completion of this one, what matrices we need, just you take them. Okay, so after 7a square to get 8a square, what you have to do? Plus a square you have to write here. So done balancing. That means 7a square plus a square, 8a square. Next here this is minus 3a. So but we want here minus 2a only. Okay. Here minus 3a is there, minus 2a we want. So just to add plus a. And we want one more I. Okay. Then this total expression is equal to this expression. Okay. Now this one anyhow this is 0. So 0 into any matrix is 0 matrix. This is 0. 0 in any matrix is 0. So left over what we have for this one? A square plus a plus I only. So this total expression becomes to a square plus a plus I. So this is nothing but a square plus a plus I. That means coefficient of a square is L, coefficient of a is M, coefficient of I is N. So coefficient of a square is 1, coefficient of a is 1, coefficient of I is 1. So L is equal to M is equal to N is equal to 1. So now what is asking? 3L minus M plus 2N. That is nothing but 3 into 1 minus 1 plus 2 into 1. So that means 3 minus 1 plus 2, that is equal to 4. See here one more question. If A is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 minus 2 4 and A inverse is equal to 1 by 6 into A square plus CA plus DI, then C comma D is equal to same whenever it is in the expressions of A square. Okay, it is the given A inverse. It is 3 by 3 matrix. So it is A square only. If you multiply both sides with A, what you get? A cube expression you get. So it may be chaotic equation after multiplying A. Once you check it out, multiply both sides with A. So it is A into A inverse. A into A inverse is equal to I. 1 by 6 into A square A cube plus C A square plus DA. Okay. So now transpose I to this side. First to 6i you multiply here. So that means we have after 6i multiply to here, then you just transpose this side. A cube plus 6a square plus DA minus 6i is equal to O. Okay. Now actually what is the chaotic equation we have to see? See here, actually every matrix satisfies its chaotic equation. Every matrix satisfies its chaotic equation once you check it out. Okay, see here a cube minus 1 plus 1 plus 4 minus 6a square. I am writing chaotic equation. A cube minus lambda 1 a square. Lambda 1 means 1 plus 1 plus 4, that is minus 6a square, and lambda 2 means determinant of this one 1 and determinant of these 4 entries, that is nothing but 4 ones are 4 minus of minus 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2 6, and determinant of these 2 and these 2, 1 4s are 4. Okay, here 1, here 6, next 4, 1 plus 6 plus 4, that is 11a. Okay, minus lambda 3 means determinant of original matrix. So original matrix through this row it is plus 1 into leave the round column, 1 4s are 4 minus minus 2 plus 2, so 4 plus 2 6, so that means minus 6i is equal to O. Okay, that means minus 6i is equal to O. See once you here, because it is the one of the equation in terms of A, and this is nothing but equal to O. Okay, and it is also the chaotic equation of the given matrix. Actually every every matrix or every chaotic equation satisfied by its matrix. Okay, see here this is also equal to 0 means here A satisfies this equation. So here also A satisfies this equation. This is the chaotic equation. Then both are nothing but chaotic equations only. Then you have to compare the corresponding coefficients. A square coefficient is C. So C is equal to minus 6. A coefficient is D. D is equal to 11. So anyhow both are equal, minus 6i, minus 6i. So C is equal to minus 6, D is equal to 11. Next one. If A is equal to 5A minus B, 3, 2, A into adjoint of A is equal to A into A transpose, then 5A plus B is equal to. See here, A into adjoint of A is equal to A into A transpose. So A get cancelled. What you have, only adjoint of A is equal to A transpose. Okay. What is adjoint of A? We know. Transposition of these two and taking opposite signs. So 2 5A minus B means B, 3 means minus 3 is equal to A transpose means 5A 3 as a row minus B 2 as a second row. So come equate corresponding entries. 5A is equal to 2, A is equal to 2 by 5. So B is equal to 3. Now what is asking? 5A plus B. 5 into 2 by 5 plus 3. That is 5 get cancelled. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Next. So A inverse of A is equal to 5 minus 2, 3, 1. Find, he is asking to find out A inverse of this matrix A. So A inverse is equal to 1 by det A into adjoint of A. So when A inverse exists, first it is a determinant of A is not equal to 0. Anyhow, it is determinant of A is not equal to 0. There is 5 into 1, 5 minus 6, that is 11. So 1 by det A into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A means interchange these two and take opposite signs. So 1 by 11 into adjoint of this matrix. That means so this one comes to here, this 5 comes to here, and opposite signs. So what you have, 1 by 11, so 2 by 11, minus 3 by 11, and 5 by 11.